At the New Wheel, we offer a unique program called service memberships. Service memberships are an annual maintenance agreement, and they come in two versions. We have a basic membership and a comprehensive membership. We offer it only for bikes that were purchased at the shop here. Basic memberships are meant for people who are more occasional riders, probably less than 1,000 miles a year, and they include unlimited tune-ups, 24/7 nationwide roadside assistance, free flat fixes, and special offers and promotions. Comprehensive memberships include everything that's in a basic membership, plus one complete tune-up per year, which is a more involved service and includes cleaning of your bike and free installation of any parts that are required at that time, free brake pad replacement, and 10% off parts and accessories. Comprehensive service memberships are great for customers who are putting more than 1,000 miles a year. So if you're commuting or you're riding really hard on a daily basis, a comprehensive membership is going to be best for you. All the bikes that we sell at the shop come with 6 months of service, and you can sign up for a service membership anytime within that 6 months. We think a service membership is a great idea. It's easy and convenient, and it does help you keep your bike in tip-top shape, and it will save you money. So give us a call and we can talk you through the options.